So our product is called MicroRec. But MicroRec is more than just one single system. MicroRec is a platform that will allow every single ophthalmologist and optometrist digitalize their different procedures. So basically what we have over here is an optical system that allows you to digitalize any slit lamp or microscope with any smartphone. And on top of that, we provide our users mobile applications that will enhance their work. So we have applications for data capturing, and now we're introducing new applications for augmented reality training with smartphones. There's one very interesting metric. Almost 90% of the microscopes in the market are completely analog. This means that doctors, like ophthalmologists and optometrists, of course, they can visualize what is happening under the microscope, but they have no tools to digitalize their procedures. So we're missing a lot of data when it comes to capturing interesting procedures. We're missing tools to educate people, new students on the different procedures. And most importantly, we are lacking the tools to document the evolution of the pathologies of patients assisting to the doctor. So that's a big problem right now. There's one thing that is crucial to our platform, and it's that it's universal. You're not talking about one brand of microscopes, one specific smartphone. We are talking over here about any single smartphone adapted to any single microscope out there. So universality is the key, because now with our system, we can have this platform that is based on mobile applications, and we can start gathering data in any part of the world, regardless which microscope you have or which smartphone you have. So today here at ESCRS, we're introducing something that is completely revolutionary. It's a mobile application that will allow any single ophthalmologist to train with augmented reality using only their smartphone. So what is happening over here is that we are allowing them to connect their smartphone, and we offer them mobile applications that can track the position of 3D printed eyes and guide the ophthalmologist on how to process, to continue on the different steps of cataract surgery, corneal surgery, and so on. So this is definitely a revolution that we are implementing over here, because we're making training tools accessible for everyone.